Hey guys, how are you? How are you? How are you? This is Mr. Argueta coming to you on today is actually the 5th of October, and I wanted to get a video out to you because I think it's important for you to know what to expect. So let me start off by introducing myself. If I had good editing skills, I would put a bunch of noise and music or whatever, but I don't. So you're stuck with just the plain old me. So here we are. This is Blackboard, guys. If I'm pretty sure if you're in this class, you've had other classes with GNTC, so I'm not too worried about giving you the details about that. So I just want to show you what the class looks like. This class is called Performance Management, which is where we are, all right? And the class is structured very similar. If you've taken me in the past, very similar to what we've done in the past. So every week you get a folder. That folder has 2 chapters for the most part. And every week you have a discussion. Every week I post a video. I give you an update on how we're doing. And basically you reply to that. You reply to my video, which will be inside your discussion. You reply to 2 other students and you give me an original post. So to get 100%, you need good content and you are interacting 4 times in your discussion. So keep that in mind because 30% of your grade will come from about 6 discussions. So it's a big percentage per discussion. So do not miss the discussion. So let's take a look, guys. So here's how it works. First thing I want you to do is the syllabus quiz, which is under your syllabus. And it gives you information about the class, all that good stuff. But assignments and syllabus will be right there, and make sure you get that done. Actually, let me take that back. This class does not have a syllabus quiz. This class instead, you have to actually start doing your work the first week of class to be able to get that syllabus quiz completed. So make sure you click on assignment and on syllabus to read your syllabus. I'm going to show you very quickly in regards to your syllabus here. Let's go down to grade right here. Connect and homework 30%, learn smart 30%, and 30% is your discussion. So please, 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 please make sure you are doing that every week. So week 1 will open up on the 10th of October. So if you go and you see this video today, you will not have anything in Blackboard. It will not populate till the 10th of October. On the 10th of October, week 1 folder will open up. You'll have 2 chapters and your introduction discussion. So make sure you do it, read the discussion, look for my video. I'll have an introduction video that I will present to you. You reply to me, 2 other students, and you do your original post. So, all right, so pretty straightforward. Under lessons, I wouldn't use discussions tab. I would use your lessons tab. Only work on whatever is that week assignment. Whatever's in week 1 is due for week 1. I wouldn't use the discussion tabs because they're not in order. So week 2 will open up on October 17th and so on and so forth. All right, here's the good part about this class. No midterm, no final, just the class work. So it should be pretty straightforward. But what that means is that the 10% that we normally have in a week on the final and midterm will not exist. We're going to eliminate that. So make sure you're doing your work because it means more since you're not getting a midterm or a final. Easiest way to reach me, guys, is by email and largetta@gntc.edu. Also, you don't need a physical book for this class. You need an access code. And if you've taken this before, or not this class, but other business classes, you know that the easiest way to do that, click on the first assignment, and it will redirect you to McGraw-Hill. Okay? Boom. You're McGraw-Hill. Got it. McGraw-Hill does allow you 2 free weeks of access, but you then have to pay for it, or you can buy it from the bookstore and get the access code and get started. But no matter what, get started right away, guys. that's about it. I mean, there's not a lot to say other than the fact that, I'm excited to have you guys in class, looking forward to it. Let me know if I can help you. If I can do anything for you, just email me and I'll be more than happy to do whatever I can to help you out, guys. Other than that, I think that covers it. Guys, have a wonderful week and we will chat soon.